Hi, I'm Carla Stanford, and I work for Reading Universe. I'm the Director of Instructional Design. I'm here to talk about a phonics lesson. When I was teaching and I was learning how to teach kids how to read, I learned the what to teach and I learned the why to teach it, but I did not know the how. And the how was the missing piece that I needed in order to take that knowledge and make sure that my kids, my first graders, learned how to read. So I'm going to walk you through a phonics lesson and share the what and the why and the how of each part of the phonics lesson so you can understand how they build on each other to ensure at the end of the lesson that your students are becoming proficient readers.
Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the Hastings Quillen Fund, an advised fund of the Silicon Valley Community Foundation, the AFT, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and anonymous donors.